If you have the previous version of Hyippro, and this is a new version, and a new version has been released. This is version 6.0, and this version, it comes with about 16. Yeah, this version comes with about 16. So this is very flexible, and this version is awesome. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can install the latest version, and how the user admin and how the user dashboard looks like, and the admin dashboard. So let me just open the home page. Now this is the purple color version of the Hyippro investment script. Like, the UI is top notch. I love the UI. Is awesome. Is awesome. You know, I review about script before I come and make video about it, and before I can recommend it to you people. So, and this very version, it has referral bonus, and their levels and the rest. So let me just log into the user dashboard so that you see how the user dashboard looks like. Now, one thing about the user dashboard that I love is this very level. You know, it comes, like I said, it have these level options, maybe from level 1, level 2, down to any other level you like. So the UI is cool. I love the UI. So this is the user dashboard. This is the user dashboard, and everything is awesome. It has badges, and it has referral bonuses, and you can also as well see your referrals and everything. So you can check your plan, you can check your investment history and the rest. So this is awesome. This is awesome. So I am going to teach you how you can install the system and how you can make use of it. So without wasting our time, let's go directly to our cPanel and upload the script. So I have uploaded my script, so I'm just going to click on go back. Then the next thing is for me to extract my script here. Then I'll just come here, I'll click on extract and click on extract files. Then once I'm done, I'm going to delete this very one because I don't need it again, because I've already extracted it. So I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to reload. Now this is everything that I need. Now I will open this SQL file. Then I'm going to download this SQL because I need it. I'm going to download this SQL. I've downloaded it. Then I'll highlight everything. Then I'll leave this. Then I'm going to delete the rest because I don't need them. Now the next thing, I'm still going to unzip this project because this is where all my files are. No, I'm not downloading. Sorry. I'm going to extract it because these are where my files are, like I said before. So once I'm done extracting, I'm going to delete this zip file also. I'll scroll down, then I will delete this very zip project file because I don't need it. Now we are done with step 1. Now step 2 is to go and configure our database. So we are just going to open this .env. We are going to open it like this. Make sure your files have this .env. So we are changing this. We are changing this to what we have. So we just go to our database and I will type database. Then we are going to create our database here. Then I'll call this Hyippro. Now click on create database. Now once I'm done, I'm going to copy this because I'm using it as both my database username and my password. I'll come to my .env, my DB, I'm going to put it there. Then my username, I'm going to put it there. So I'll go back here and I'll scroll down to my user and I'll create user also as Hyippro. Then I'll click on generate password and I'll copy this password. I'll click this and I'll click on use. Then I'm going to click on create user. Then once I'm done with create user, I will go back. Then I will now assign my user and my database together. I'll come and I'll click and I'll search for Hyippro, this, and the same thing here, Hyippro. Then I'll click on add. Then once I'm done, I'll just come and click on add all privileges and I'll click on make changes. Then once I'm done, I'll go to my .env and I'll place that my password I'll place it there like that, and I'll click on save. I am done. So the next stage now is to go and upload our MySQL file. So I'll click on PHP My Admin. I'll select PHP My Admin. Then I'm going to upload that SQL file. So the next thing, you are going to click on the database you have created, and you click on import. Then you're going to choose file. Then that SQL file we downloaded, you're going to upload it, which is this. Then the next thing is click on import. Then once you click on import, that is all. That is all. Then you wait for it to import. We've imported our SQL. So now the next stage now is to go and view your site. So I'm going to view my site, madtechdigitals.com/Hyippro. Then I'll click on enter. So if you install your site very well, your site should load and your site should come up. This is what we have. Now this is our site. We have our site here. So you can log into your admin dashboard, you can log into the user dashboard. So admin@gmail.com, then your default password is admin. Then you can log into. So now this is how the dashboard looks like. Now immediately you come to the dashboard, you need to set your cron job. Copy this first cron job and copy the second cron job. Like as I always explain, cron job enables your automatic return, your automatic investment return. So once you copy this cron job, come to your cPanel and come to this place and type cron, then paste it here, then open it. Then you come down and you select common setting, choose 1 per 5 minutes, then paste the first cron job here and click on what? Add new cron job. That is, copy this, come to this place, paste it here and click on add. Then the same thing, copy the second one, copy the second one, come and click on per 5 again, put it here and add. So upon doing that, you've already set your cron job automatically. So this is how the admin dashboard looks like. Like I said, it has user ranking and the rest. So this is, you can only see this on the latest version. It has user ranking. You can create your user ranking and everything. This is the user ranking side. Then this is your KYC. You can create a KYC. This is your plan list. This is where you set your plan list here. So now if you want to change the common setting of the system, you just scroll down to where you see control. You click on basic control. Then you can change the name of the site. Then you can change the color, everything. Your bonus amount, your maximum transfer, your registration, cron job. Now if you don't want that cron job to pop up always, click on turn off and click on save changes. Then that is all. So you can create your payment gateway, whether it is manual, automatic and the rest. So you see payment method, you click on this payment method here, then you can add new payment method. So now this is how the system works. This is Hyippro version 6.0, which is the latest one. It comes with 6 different kind of theme. So take for instance, you want to change the theme of the front end. All you need to do is come down to this theme setting. You click on this manage theme. Then you see all the themes that are there. Then you can make changes to anyone you prefer. This is the very theme that was in the one I installed. So for you to change it, you just click on select active theme and you activate. Once you activate it, will take a default effect if you check the theme. So let's check the front end and see if our theme took an effect. You will see that the theme took another effect. So this is it. So this is how the system works. As I always say, if you need this script, just message us on our WhatsApp. There is our WhatsApp number beneath this video. Message us on our WhatsApp, and if you found value in this video, please smash the subscribe button so that you'll be first to see the notification whenever we release exciting video like this.